Hi traders, just want to go through the Euro US dollar and its key trading levels ahead of the FOMC statement. So early in tomorrow morning, 4 AM, we've got the US FOMC statement federal fund rate coming out, expecting 75 base point rise there. Okay, and then we've got the press conference at 4:30 AM, New South Wales times. So it's going to be very volatile ahead of there. So I just want to go through the key levels I'm watching for now and post that news release. So let's get into the charts. Alright traders, I'm on the day chart. Just want to go through the levels that the market's respecting at the moment, with that news item coming out later in the day. Now yesterday we traded back down to 101.18 monthly support. This could well hold in the London session. So if it retests in the London session, you could look for an opportunity to trade up from that level. After the news event, we could well come up to 102.78, which is last week's high, day chart resistance, and we could go up even further. There's a high level of resistance here at 103.40 monthly resistance, 103.49 weekly resistance, and 103.59 daily resistance. Now I've been watching that level for the last week. We haven't been able to get to that level, but with the volatility that we'll have later in the day, we could well move up to that level, then start to hold and fail over the next 24 hours. Alright, so through the London session, 101.18 could hold as support for a move up. After the news event, I'm going to be watching higher up the chart at this major area of resistance up here. So let's just drop down to the 4-hour chart. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart, so ahead of the news item, just highlighted in this large range that we've been forming over the last week. So we traded down to 101.18 yesterday. We could well come down and revisit that level today, hold, and then start to move back up the range. And it's not unforeseeable that we could get up to the top of the range before the news event. Okay, we did have a large drop yesterday, so we could have a relief rally today through the London session into New York and start to move back up towards the 102.78 daily resistance level. That's last week's high. But the key area that I'm watching for after the news is up here. Can we get up to this level after the news, and then does price start to hold and fail up there for a reversal back down over the next 24 hours?